Losing a job can feel like the ground beneath your life suddenly shifted. One moment you had a routine, a role, a place you showed up every day, and the next moment, everything feels uncertain. It can quietly shake your confidence, make you question your worth, and leave you wondering what comes next. So these affirmations are for anyone rebuilding in this phase. Take a slow breath. Stay here for a few minutes. Let these words remind you of something important. Losing my job does not erase my value. My skills and experience still matter. This setback does not define my future. I am more than any job title I have held. Difficult moments can lead to new paths. I allow myself time to regroup and rebuild. My worth is not measured by employment status. I trust that new opportunities will appear. I have overcome challenges before, and I will again. I am capable of creating a new chapter in my life. I release the shame that does not belong to me. This moment is temporary. My abilities remain with me wherever I go. I am learning and growing through this experience. My future is still full of possibilities. I deserve stability and success. Each day brings me closer to new opportunities. I trust my resilience. I believe in my ability to rebuild. Setbacks often lead to unexpected breakthroughs. I am worthy of respect and opportunity. My story is still unfolding. I move forward with courage and hope. Better days are still ahead of me. Losing a job can make the future feel uncertain. But remember this: your value was never created by a company, and it cannot be taken away by one either. Take another slow breath. Your next chapter is still waiting to be written.